Hello children, welcome to K.R. Lakkam Memorial CBSE School online classes. From yesterday we are discussing about question paper pattern of term 1 examination. Yesterday we have discussed the two main questions. Those are first one, state whether true or false. We discussed many examples. I hope you also have written those examples in your fair notebook and practiced. And the question number 2, match the following. Two set of match the following yesterday I have solved on the board. So you also should write that on your in your fair notebook and practice it. Even in your textbook lesson number 1, 2, 3, there are many match the followings, true or false, then fill in the blanks, then multiple choice questions. So those all you should practice. So this will help you to attend the exam very easily. Okay, today let's start question number 3, that is tick the correct options given below. Okay, this is for 6 marks. There will be 6 questions of multiple choice questions and the 3 options will be given, that is A, B, C. So what you have to do is you should read the question properly, understand it, and then you read the options, verify all the options that which will be the correct one, identify it and then tick it. Okay, there will be 6 multiple choice questions with 3 options each. Okay, then we'll have some examples. These also you should write in your textbook. Question number 1. The numeral for 10 lakh, 10,000 and 10 is, there will be A, B, C. 3 options. So 10 lakh, 10,000 and 10. Better you write anywhere 10 lakh, 10,000. 10 means there will be 0 in hundreds place. Ones, tens, just you think about the groups. Ones group, thousands group, this is lakhs group. So similar to this, which option is there? This is 10 lakh, 10. There is no 10,000. 10 lakh, 10,000, 1. But here should be 10. C, 10 lakh, 10,000, 10. So this is the correct answer. 10 lakh, 10,000 and 10. Come to the second question. The greatest 7-digit number is with all different numbers. You have to select the greatest 7-digit number and it should be all the different number. Greatest 7-digit numbers means directly we will think this one 999. But they are telling all different numbers. So this is not the correct answer because same number is repeated. Here you can see this 98, 98, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, all different numbers. But here also all different numbers. But which is the greatest you should select. 98 lakh, 76,543, here 541. So the B option is the greatest 7-digit number with all numbers different. Third one, the greatest 6-digit number. Here they have not mentioned the different numbers. Just they have asked the greatest 6-digit number. So directly you can check all this because this is not the greatest one because all numbers are different. Here 9,99,999. Here 9,87,000. So greatest they have asked. So B is the correct answer. Next, write these all questions also and write the options also in your fair notebook and tick it. Don't tick directly. Just think about the question, what they have asked and what you have to write it. Okay. Next, tens is A 3,75,280, B 100 to its nearest to tens, which type of answers you will get? So they have given three numbers. Just nearest to tens means how many zero it will be having? Only one zero. But here 3, 2 0 and 3 0. These two options are wrong. This is the correct answer. Next, fifth one. So fifth. So all numbers are multiple of itself. Multiples of itself. So multiple of 75 is A 85, B 75, C 35. They have only given the statements that all numbers are multiples of itself. So multiple of 77 is 75. Yes? See here. Some more multiple choice questions. Which of the following is not a multiple of 4? A 25, B 16, C 19. So multiple of 4 means 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, like this all. So 25 is there in 4 ones a table? No. 16 is there in 4 ones a table? Yes. 4 fours are 16. 19 is there in 4 ones a table? No. So then the answer is 16. Which of the following is even number? Just to identify the even and odd number, you should look at the ones place or unit place. Which unit place is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? Those are called as even numbers. Which unit place is having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? Those are odd numbers. So this is odd, so this is even. Suppose I may ask here instead of even odd also. So you have to check the options and then tick the answer. The number of prime numbers less than 100. A 15, B 28, C 25. So the number of prime numbers less than 100 is 25. Less than 50 is 50. Okay? Less than 50 is 50. But here less than 100 means 25. Okay? Let's go for next question, main question, that is question number 5. 4 fill in the blanks. So you know what is fill in the blanks. There will be gap or blank in the statement. So you have to write there the correct answer. First one, every multiple of a number is either dash than or dash to the that number. Every multiple of a number is either small, either equal than or more or greater. Greater to that number. Second one, the smallest prime number is 2. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the smallest prime number. All even numbers are divisible by 2 because all even numbers are multiple of 2. So it can be divided by 2. So 10 million is equal to how much, how many lakhs. So 10 million you write here. This is ones group, thousands group, millions group. Now this is 10 million. If we consider in lakhs, this is ones group, thousands group, then it is lakhs group. How many lakhs? Now 100 lakhs. This may ask like 10 million. Sixth one I will write here. 10 million is equal to, 5 million. 5 million is equal to how many lakhs? Now what it will become? 5 million means it will come here 5. So this is ones group, thousands group, lakhs group. So 5 million is equal to how much? So 50 lakhs. 5 million is equal to 50 lakhs. Here the greatest 8-digit number is, 999. 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. So similar they may ask the greatest 7-digit number, the smallest 4-digit number, smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Yes, like this many more questions will be arised for the fill in the blanks. Okay, then the smallest odd prime number is 3. Yes, the smallest composite number also can ask. The smallest composite number is 4. Okay, many fill in the blanks can be create from the theory part of the lesson, so that you have to be very perfect in theory part of the lesson. Yes, so I have solved many tick the correct options and the fill in the blanks. Except these, apart from these, many examples are there in your textbook practices, so that also you need to practice, then only you will become perfect. Okay, the next two questions in the next class I will discuss, that is do as a directed, solve the following. These two will be calculation parts. Till now whatever we have discussed, these all are 1 mark questions, but these two, do as directed, solve the following, these two are solving problems. So do as a directed may ask about successor, predecessor, then addition, subtraction, word problems also may ask. Solve the following will have identify the LCM, HCF. So like this, solving problems, big problems, because this carries 2 marks and 3 marks. So you need to calculate here. So in the next class I will explain some examples in these questions, that is do as directed and the solve following. Okay, do it, practice it and send the homework to me for my WhatsApp number. Then only I will come to know that you are doing homework. Okay, thank you.